Hello, YouTube. I'm in my garage right now, and I got a package today. It's to help improve my acceleration. So let's open this box up and see what we have. Installation kit for my new ring and pinion. Let's see what they have in here. Basically come with everything. Differential gaskets, crush sleeve, seals, the bolts, the brush and the marking die so you can set the ring and pinion correctly. This looks pretty good. Now for the main event. It's made by Motive Gear. It's my ring and pinion set. Let's check it out. Warranty. And here we go. This is my ring and pinion. It is 3:55 to 1. About the same gear ratio as the Mercury Marauder. This is a big jump from the 273 to ones I have in the car right now. Now, when I put the new cammed 5.4 in there, the car is fast, but at a stop, it's like a dog. You got to get the RPMs up to at least 2,500 in order to get this car to really get going. This will solve the problem. I could have went with a 411s, but I'm going to be driving this a lot, so I don't want to have the RPMs too high, and gas is what it is, you know. So this is it. My ring and pinion set. The next thing I need to get is some the axle seals and bearings and a posi unit. So keep watching. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. And I'll see you next video. This is when I'm starting to get fun now. Till next video.